Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe and empower you to manifest your desires. If you're ready to harness the law of assumption like never before, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll dive deep into 13 improved techniques that will skyrocket your manifesting abilities. So grab a pen, a journal, and an open mind. Let's begin. Technique 1. Believe in your desires. First things first, belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. The law of assumption thrives on your unwavering faith. Close your eyes and envision your dreams as if they're already a reality. This simple act ignites the spark of belief within you, setting the wheels of manifestation in motion. Technique 2. Power of affirmations. Affirmations are your secret weapon. Craft positive statements that reflect your desired reality. Repeat them daily with conviction. Your subconscious mind will catch on, aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your goals. Remember, the law of assumption responds to what you consistently assume. Technique 3. The vision board magic. Visualize to materialize. Create a vision board filled with images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your dreams. Every glance at your vision board will amplify your intentions, sending powerful signals to the universe. The law of assumption recognizes your intentions through the energy you emit. Technique 4. Gratitude amplifies manifestation. Gratitude is your manifestation amplifier. Begin and end your day by acknowledging the blessings in your life. This positive energy shifts your focus from lack to abundance, aligning perfectly with the law of assumption. Remember, the universe loves a thankful heart. Technique 5. Embrace positive visualization. Close your eyes and step into the movie of your dreams. Visualize every detail, smell, and emotion. When you actively engage your senses, your energy aligns with your desires. This deep connection with your goals sends a clear message to the universe through the law of assumption. Technique 6. Let go of resistance. Release resistance, invite abundance. Identify and release doubts and fears that hinder your manifestation journey. Replace them with positive thoughts and unwavering trust in the universe's plan. Remember, the law of assumption works best in an atmosphere of trust and surrender. Technique 7. Act as if you've already manifested. Live your dream life in the present moment. Dress, speak, and act as if your desires are already realized. This mindset shift aligns your energy with your goals, making the law of assumption respond to your authenticity. Technique 8. The power of meditation. Meditation is your direct line to the universe. Set aside time daily to meditate on your desires. This practice calms your mind, aligns your energy, and opens the channel for the law of assumption to work its magic. Through stillness, you manifest. Technique 9. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your reality. Surround yourself with positive people, books, and experiences. This positivity uplifts your vibrations, harmonizing with the law of assumption. Remember, like attracts like. Technique 10. Release attachment to the outcome, surrender control, embrace flow. Detach from the how and when of your manifestations. Trust that the universe's timing is perfect. Your role is to set the intention, align your energy, and let the law of assumption weave its magic. Technique 11. Create a manifestation ritual craft. A special manifestation ritual that aligns with your beliefs. This could be lighting a candle, saying a prayer, or performing a specific meditation. Consistently practicing this ritual will create a powerful energetic signal to the universe, enhancing your manifestation process. Technique 12. Script your desires. Put pen to paper and script your ideal life. Write down your desires as if they've already happened. This not only clarifies your intentions, but also sends a clear message to your subconscious mind and the law of assumption, setting the stage for manifestation. Technique 13. Practice detachment meditation. Incorporate detachment meditation into your routine. During this practice, visualize your desires and then release them to the universe without attachment. Let go of the need for a specific outcome. This allows the law of assumption to work without interference, often leading to even better results than you imagined. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the key to masterful manifestation. By integrating these 13 improved techniques, you're tapping into the limitless potential of the law of assumption. Now it's time to put these practices into action and witness the transformation in your life. If you found these techniques valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep watching for more transformative content. Until next time, stay aligned and keep manifesting your dreams. Thank you for spending this time with me, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on the power of not reacting.